Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all on the Amex Blue Cash Everyday Card. This is a great card for anybody in the phase of rebuilding their credit, or you might be new to credit. This might be great for you. Now, before I break down this card, again, the data you need to know is that you need to have at least a 670 credit score. They will be doing a pre-approval on Experience, so please don't have a lock on it. And again, if you already got a prior relationship with American Express, you won't get no inquiry at all. But if it's your first time, you can still do a pre-approval and see that limit that you will get. And then at the point, you can move on. Again, this is a great card for beginners, man. Anybody rebuilding their credit report. Again, you're gonna get $200 cash back once you spend about $2,000 in the first 6 months, which is really good and really easy. You're gonna get that 3% cash back on grocery, 3% cash back on gas, and then you'll get 1% cash back on everything else. We're gonna go to the pre-approval after we go to this, and you're gonna get that $84 Disney streaming, which is really good. You know, a lot of people are using Disney. And now the gem with this, I will have to say before we move on, I don't want to skip over this, is the send and split. You know, I did 2 prior videos in the past about the send and split, which you'll be able to add that on. And for all those that people ask about liquidating your credit cards, I got a video, go back on it. Who is King Sean send and split liquidation. And again, you'll be able to have the send and split, and you can add one of your cards on it, and somebody, let's say a mom, dad, brother, sister have Venmo, you'll be able to liquidate money from that card. Let's say you got $10,000, you can liquidate it, take $2,000, $1,500, $2,000 off that card, send it to Venmo to a family member and stuff like that. That's a quick way to liquidate credit cards. I got a full video on that in the past. So that's definitely plus, I would have to say, by having these cards, when it comes to Amex, you could get a lot of discount on entertainment if you're trying to do that, which is really good. And then you're going to get that coverage for that rental. So God forbid you out there, you rent a car, you'll be able to use the coverage and they'll cover it bumper to bumper, which is really good, I will have to say. Now, again, with this card, you're gonna be able to gain a lot of benefits, but it's pretty simple. It's not a lot to it. It's a basic card, but it's a great card for beginners. Let's go over to the application if you want to do the pre-approval real quick now. Highlight this. Know if you're approved and find out your exact welcome offer amount, all with no credit score impact, which is really good. So again, please don't have a lock or freeze on it because it'll get automatic denied. So go ahead, put your first name, middle name, last name, again, name on card, birth date, email, mobile number, address, you know, all the basic information. And yes, you got to provide your social security. People get overwhelmed. They got to verify who you are. They're just not going to give you approval $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 and not knowing who exactly you are. And put your total annual income. Now I want to tell you about this total annual income. I've been stressing this a lot. People are going out here, let's say they make $30,000 a year, $40,000, they're putting $100,000, $125,000 a year. I'm telling you now, whatever you make, please put it in that column, because what's going to happen, American Express is known for asking for proof, and if you get caught lying, you will be blacklisted, and you don't want to be blacklisted with American Express, because there are a lot of great products on the personal side and the business side. And then you'll press continue to see your terms, see your offer, and at that point you can make a decision if you want to move forward. Again, another great card for a beginner, very easy, very simple, and you can get a great limit. Now let's go over to my website right here, whoiskingshawn.com. Anybody want to drop me a line, you got a request about any products that you want to hear me talk about, send me a message and I'll get back to you in a couple hours. So again, people, I want to see everybody win. I got my membership. You can sign up, which will be in the bio, where you're going to have exclusive videos. You can have exclusive shorts and community feed as well. So again, if you want to go ahead and try to see your offer on the Amex Blue Cash Card, hopefully you go out there and you can get a high limit and you can really take advantage of all these benefits. So get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.